I want you to first imagine someone that's going to the gym. Now, this person that's going to the gym has been lifting weights for the last 5 months. Now, this person comes up and tells you, hey, XYZ, I'm thinking about doing steroids. I'm going to inject big fat fucking needles into my ass because I want to get fucking massive. You're then going to say, what are you doing? You've only been doing this for 5 months. Are you fucking stupid? Right? This is exactly why you are unable and why you're not hitting $100,000 now, which is exactly what we're going to be talking about today. Now, I partner with businesses, meaning I talk to a lot of fucking business owners every single day, right? Which is good for you because you get to learn shit, right? But for me, it can be pretty fucking annoying if they're doing exactly what I'm going to be telling you today. Right, so that example that I gave you earlier, someone going to the gym for 5 months and then doing steroids, right? Why is that so fucked up and morally wrong? Because they've only been going to the gym for 5 months, which means that they don't have the proper muscle, they've not trained long enough, they've not done the things that they've needed to do, right, in order to get to the next level naturally, right? So taking steroids is pointless. It's the exact same sort of scenario for you. Right? The fuck up that I see so often with business owners at all scales, right, is that they try and do things when they should not be yet. And I'll give you a real life example. The other day I was talking to a business owner. Right, now this business owner is Timothy, right? And he was making about $30,000 a month, right? And he's in the day trading industry. Now he doesn't have a lot of leads, which means at the point of talking, he didn't have a lot of people that were coming through. And they were doing every sort of thing under the sun. They were doing the collecting of the emails and the VSL, the landing pages, with the SMS marketing, with all of this other shit, right? And he wonders why he was only making $30,000 a month. And you're listening to me right now talk about it, and you're thinking, that's so obvious. Why is he doing that? But a lot of you guys, I guarantee you're doing the same. Right, what we do is we think, okay, if we want to scale, we want to grow a business, we're going to look at the top dogs in our industry and do what they're doing, right? That's what we do naturally, right? So for example, this person was looking at the top day trader in their industry and they were doing that thing. But their chapter 20 is not your chapter 1, right? Just because the top dog is doing something, that doesn't mean you should be as well because you aren't at that level. So if you've only been going to the gym for 5 months, you shouldn't be taking steroids because it's not going to benefit you. If you've only been in business and you're only making 30 to 60K, then you probably shouldn't be running a landing page because the landing page is only there to filter leads, which means that a landing page doesn't give you more leads, right? It doesn't give you more people to sell. It gives you more of the people that are qualified. But if you're only making $30,000 to $60,000, you don't have the luxury of picking and choosing who you want to work with. Right? So that was his first fuck up. So what did we do? We completely took away all the email shit. We took away all the landing pages, the VSLs, all the fucking go high level bullshit. And all we did was a simple message them in the DMs, have a Typeform link in the description of the Instagram, so the bio. They would click the Typeform, fill it out, and then it will automatically take them to book a call. Right? And he took that revenue that he was making to $150,000 extremely quickly. So from 30 to 40 grand, he took it up to that in a matter of like about a week and a half. We didn't add new shit. We didn't do anything crazy, right? Not even taking into consideration the sales team. This was literally just taking away the bullshit. And he was able to scale significantly quicker. Right, so the lesson in this for you is that I guarantee you probably are doing something right now. I had another guy talk to me the other day, right? And he told me he's making about $40,000 a month, but he's got a marketing agency, an agency doing this, and a content agency, an agency doing this, this, and this. He's got an agency for everything, right? So he's making 40 grand a month, paying all these different agencies and all these other places to do their shit. Right? So he's only left with like a couple grand at the end of the month. I'm like, dude, what you're trying to do now is what you should be doing when you're making like 100, 200 grand a month, but you're doing it way too early. You are going to scale more, literally doing things a lot simpler than what you are. What I want you to do is I want you to look at your business, look at the funnels that you're running and the landing pages and all the shit that you're running and think, okay, is this necessary? Or am I just trying to do what this person's doing, right? But if you haven't seen success, doing more of it isn't gonna make it work, right? Simple shit. The best thing that I've seen that's working, and you can do your own due diligence and look online, all the cool guys that you might look up to are saying the exact same thing or doing the exact same thing. It's literally appointment set in the DMs. You book them in for a call in the DMs. If they don't book a call there, there's a type form in the bio. They fill out the type form, they book a call there. It's that fucking simple. For all you beginners that are looking to get into this, just keep in mind, fancy scales, fancy fails. A lot of people love to do the high level shit because that's what they think they need to do. But then in reality, they've got 15 holes in their business, right? So where they really should be focusing on the simple shit, they're trying to focus on the high level shit. Because apparently that's what scales their business when they're not even scaling, right? And then for you motherfuckers that are making 30, 40, 100 grand, 100 grand plus, whatever, keep in mind that there are some things that you just should not be doing at the level that you are. That doesn't mean that you won't do it in the future. That just means that your business and your current clients and your current model isn't ready for it. And that's okay. So take away the bullshit, strip it bare, fucking butt naked, right? And I guarantee you're gonna get a lot more book calls, a lot more people showing up, a lot more conversion, and just a lot more overall revenue every single month and every single year. Right, I hope you did enjoy this quick video. It's very quick, but to the point. Fucking take this information because I better not talk to you, right? And you're doing some stupid shit, right? I hope you did enjoy the video. I'll catch you guys on to the next one. Cheers. Catch ya.